Open Microsoft Excel, then you can see in the side home, new, open, and below that if you look at the bottom there you can see the options written there. Above the account there you can see options. Then you must click this options. So if you click this options, then a page like this have been added, and here the Excel options is there, and from here if you want to save it as an Excel spreadsheet, you must choose the save. Yes, you must click the save button. So this is the save, you must click this save. So here you can see the option in your system. It is shown save file in this format as Excel workbook, and suppose if you want to change that file format, then you can simply click here, and from there you must choose I'm going to pick this XML spreadsheet 2003. So if I want to save it to that format, you must choose here, and after that you can see an OK button here. Just click this OK button. Now if you are going to create a file, and if you are saving it, it will comes in Excel spreadsheet format. Of this video, see for more, subscribe. Thank you.